Want this ripple effect in Capcut PC? For the ripple effect, go to Effects and search Ripples. Add the Ripples effect. Adjust the duration of the effect according to your clip. Set the speed to 35 and twist to 40. You can change the value of twist if you want. Now copy the effect and apply it to all the clips. And it's done.